Hey guys, it's me, MC Man here, and today I am going to be showing you how to get not how to get how to find each button and how to reset the starry camo quest. Because there's a glitch with recent updates, and it has it to where you have to go to the sword, left click it a bunch of times, right click it, reset, and then you can actually see all the buttons again. But if you're doing this and you're doing it along and you're in a server, you have to exit, go to another server, and then do it. Because if you've been in that server for a while, then it won't work for some weird reason. But I'm gonna I do not have off-roading tires and I hate it. I mean, I bought them for this car, but this is also going to be a playthrough. Alright, so first, we already know that right here you have the secret pressure plate and the very hard to get to hole. So first we're going to go to the construction site. There's no real order, but we're going to go there anyway. So you may be thinking, but MC Man, you're closer to the green button. Why not go to the mountain? Because watch this, concerned viewer. The green mountain is all the way, well, the green button on the mountain is so high that I need to get my plane out. It's very hard to drive, and for some reason my helicopter's glitched. Yeah, I know you were about to say, but what about your helicopter? You have to have one of those. Yeah, well, it took me an hour to get it, but this one's closer. And I know I did that unnecessary all the way around circle. And I do this for no reason. So what you gotta do is you gotta go here. So on the crane side, there's this, and you probably already spotted it. You have this purple button. All you gotta do is just right click. And I did not find the glitch out on my own. I actually saw it on the website. And I don't know. So the next button I'm gonna go to is the radio tower. Actually, no, it's gonna be the I'm gonna post another video a few minutes, hours, I don't know, after this one on a on my own Roblox server, just an advertisement, because this is kid friendly. Advertisement, and we're gonna also, I would like to ask you to check out my niece's channel. Her name is Marley's Creative Art. She's been in a lot of my videos. And as you can see, this is already black. Just right click it, it should be yellow, and then you right click it, it will turn black. Whenever you're done, it would turn black. So that's that one. And let me get to the next location. Okay, so I got here, and this is the big giant dock. As you can see, I got into my Impala, my Chevy Impala. So this will be a blue button, and just right click it like the other ones and it will turn black and you're done. So I will be right back at the next at I will be right back at the next cation, I guess. What? Don't you love editing? It makes videos so much short. Okay, it seems I am having trouble. I think you get the gist. I'll meet you up there. As you can see, this is the location of the red button. It's on top of the radio tower. Just climb to the top, and you can see right there is the red button. Just right click it like the rest. And what you can do here is just, like I did, I right click it. No! Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, now on to the last one that I dread because it's so high. Please, 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 please. No! I hate this. Gonna have to do it here, or I have a runway-ish kind of thing. I like doing it on places where I have a runway. I have successfully landed. I used to have the ejector seat, just wanted just to have ejector seat. Just a sec. Let me actually, no. Sorry about that. Plane. Let's hope no one crashes into me on my route. Please, 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 please. Finally, successful takeoff. I mean, how rare is that? Yeah. Alright. So we're flying here, and I hope I can stick the landing. Stick the landing, stick the landing. I did not stick the landing. Come on, Java. I upgrade you to 8, I think. And you want me to upgrade you to 755? That is weird. Now this is the last and final location to go to for buttons. Because we have one last location, and I can't remember if it's this rock or the other rock. It is this rock. There it is. It's very small and tricky, but same as other ones. You can't left click it, you have to right click it. That one I didn't click because this is my second attempt. Alright, now we're gonna finally ride down this mountain in a Sorry about that. I lost my train of thought. I had to go somewhere. I'm back now. Okay, so we have all the buttons. I'm gonna do this for fun. I love doing that. Ooh, great. Can't miss up the opportunity. I'm like one of the highest amateurs. I'm like one of the highest amateurs of this game. Because I have a lot of stuff already because I play it a lot. Alright, so now, wait, I'm going the completely wrong way. You know what? I'll see you there. Okay. Oh, you're back. I didn't notice. So we're at the mountain now. So, when you get here after completing everything, you go to here and all of these flames should be on with all of these gauntlet kind of things. What you have to do is make sure you don't fall in the lava or you die a horrible death in this game. And what you have to do is you have to go to quest items, double click it, click this, take this one, and if I remember correctly, you right click the correct one. I'm pretty sure it's this one. Yep, right click this one. So you go to the very right, you right click this one with the golden dominus, the kind of plain-ish dominus. And then double click quest items. The blue dominus is the one on the far left, and the green dominus is the one in the middle. And it takes a few right clicks, and then go tap. Then you have the alien map. Remember that when you go to that stupid thing, just don't you know. I'm pretty sure you can't find it. Now this is the sword. Just put it there, and this portal should open up, and you should be teleported here afterwards. Just let me teleported to this weird place where they have this giant thing that I'm pretty sure they're gonna have, and you're gonna get the notification saying you got the badge, unknown quest, secret quest, and just what? After that, you can't hear what's going on here. You can't hear what is playing because there's some music that plays too. And then you should have it. And to find it, let's use my Camaro for example. And just let me go to Pocket Auto Shop. Now, if you don't have Pocket Auto Shop, then sorry. Just go here. And you go to Appearance. First, you have to go to Primary Color. Click Really Black. Then go back because I really want this to look like Bumblebee, so I'm not going to change it. Click Go Primary Color, Really Black. Then go Secondary Color, same thing. Primary Material. You scroll down. And it should be right here above, in between Soccer, I guess, and Steel. And then same thing. Well, I'm just gonna give my Lamborghini because that's nice trying to steal my Camaro. You know what I'm gonna do? The second I get my Lamborghini, I'm gonna change specs to everyone. I'm gonna get out. He's gonna know that he can get in. And I blew him up. And actually, I'm gonna get my other thing out. Boom. And I only have a few seconds. That's the end. Congratulations. Goodbye, MC Man out.